Good luck, have fun, boys.
Made the drop.
Nice, huh?
He's already up. He already did it. Sorry.
I curled.
Professional block spammer.
You both got your pearl off, so.
Bridge is up. Oh god.
Get over, guys.
I'm over the fence.
Uplums and resources.
Got it, sweet.
Okay.
Fold, get here to shoot him. He's at the TNT right now, the first TNT.
No!
That's
I got
okay.
shot while going over the bridge, that's all my stuff.
It's okay.
Where is he? I don't see him.
Do your best, Ben.
I think he maybe just grabbed the TNT and came out. Nope, he's cannoning something.
Do your best, Ben.
Oh.
Okay, nice, so boys.
Okay.
Curtain blown up.
Yeah, he was doing first job, it looks like. I think there's a second guy in resources.
Yeah, there's a second guy in killing me.
Yeah, I'm lagging pretty hard.
Yeah, Uplum's going
Hey,
for the
Doc,
cannon
that's
supplies bench.
almost 2 birds a diamond start. The only one here, I do not believe they're rushing third.
Ben, are you going into first resources again?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, I'm good. I'm gonna be really slow. Creeper blow up some silverfish blocks.
I need cup. Oh man, I'm here. Fold.
Okay, they're not rushing third.
I'm gonna go. Uplum is down.
Yeah, I've got someone going into the TNT area as well. I'm getting a bit fucked here. Oh, I'm getting really fucked. I'm gonna die.
Good.
Shit, sorry.
So
Okay, I'll
Uplum
do
was
that.
rushing third?
No, he's not.
No, he's in resources.
Oh my god, sorry. I'll fix it.
I'm locked down right now.
Just take it
Coming
slow,
down,
don't
Ben.
fuck up. Do your best, you two.
Shoot. Fold. Right now, fold.
He's cannoning, Ben.
Hold off
What?
as long as you can, knock.
Or iron blocks.
Yeah.
I'm shooting him a bunch. Ben, can you get a shot on him? Turn and look in the iron block room.
I can't right now.
You can, he's one shot. That'd be huge.
I've got some shots on trade out.
Hit him once.
Shot.
He's blocking completely up.
Okay, Ben, then you should be able to do some shit.
You hear me?
I'm gonna just running it back into the TNT now. There's zombies everywhere though. I'll do my best.
He's cannoning iron blocks right in there, Ben.
Need another block. Fold.
Here,
I need a block. Hurry, hurry.
I hit him once. The guy crossed me once.
Silverfish are everywhere.
Guy shooting above.
Killed the guy getting there.
Nice.
Fuck!
Oh, I got shot by Tribe, Ben. He's got power bomb.
Okay.
Ben, do you have a pick?
No,
Did any of them die to mobs?
No, so we've seen two at first resources.
okay.
They haven't started first wall.
Ox status.
Okay, so there's 2 of them in resources.
I'm coming out,
Killed
fold.
the guy before there.
So abandon resources?
No, I don't know what you should do, but I need to get to diamonds.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this, what I've done. Be 1 sec.
Hi.
of them
Then
in
they-
resources.
Nice.
Nice.
Diamonds?
No, in
I
Yeah,
resources.
he was in resources.
Okay, wait, Ben, should I, they might have canned all the iron blocks. I'll try and salvage some, I guess.
I cannoned their 5.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna have to
Okay,
go
man.
down for the diamond ore.
He's right there as well.
Okay.
Well, Ben, I could get 3 diamond
Are you
ore, too.
above the diamonds, Look? Oh, you've okay.
Right here.
Drop the things off that you need. Save myself a few TNT.
Okay, I got Upland going into resources again.
Okay.
Like that. Right. You got stuff behind the tree. Look.
Eat shit.
Where? Oh, over by the cannon?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, sweet.
I got both of them in resources.
Go
Uh,
get
Can
that
you drop me?
chest then.
Can you drop me some food though?
Oh, yeah, sure, here.
I'm just through here. Just go.
I dropped 5. Right there.
Thank you. Oh, green.
I'm just gonna try and lock them down in resources, I think.
Yeah.
I forgot to get the parts. That's okay.
Have it. Oh, they got a guy that's camping down in first, but not going for like running it. Probably doctor.
Okay. I'm dropping into third.
So get that chest.
I don't think anyone's been here. Let me just block off the entrance. I'll go get it.
Rocky, you cannoning.
I'm about to do the diamond again.
Good.
Fucking sheep. Okay, going around the back. Are you sure no one went into third? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice though. Alright, we can do this, guys.
Don't see any
Oh,
evidence
fuck,
of a
he's
first
like-
rush.
Cool.
Okay, Upland's dead again.
Can I just go on to say how much I hate Paul right now, though?
Definitely did make this interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Fold. Salvage
I'll get the
There's
invis
still
box
the
as well,
iron
then, I
blocks
guess.
on the other side, I'm pretty sure.
We got one guy safety in resources now.
God, this TNT chest.
Alright.
If your team burned to death, where would that be?
Might
That'd be first.
Yeah. He could have been running the beginning of it, I didn't check.
Okay. Got the stuff.
Good.
How's diamond resources going right now?
Minnie, I'm not gonna have the shit I need for you. I'm going there right now. I need torches. No, I have torches.
I'm being bad.
You're
Like,
not
I
gonna
can't
have
hit
shit for me, Ben?
Why did I do
If you can get me torches, that'd be nice.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna go
Is there
block off
TNT destroyed?
their little...
What?
Is there TNT gone?
Your TNT?
TNT. I mean, diamond, sorry.
No, not yet.
I'm throwing stuff right now.
You can do it up.
Minnie, do you need anything? Here, let me look what I have.
Any armor you can get me.
I don't
Okay, I
have
may have
any that
gotten
I can
it.
give up.
I got it to land in. I'm not sure if it blew up them all, but we'll see.
If it landed right in, you're good.
I can-
Like, if
it
you
didn't
actually
land
got it in
right
there.
in. It was a bit wonky. We'll see.
Did you
Yeah,
cannon
try
across?
it.
Doctor's moving
Choose
forward.
again.
Cannon across, cannon across.
Okay, I may not have the TNT. I have the TNT, but it won't be a 2-block shot.
Okay, never mind. Just, here, don't do that.
Okay. I'll fire. I have 3 TNT, might as well.
Oh, I do have a diamond pick, Minnie, I can give you afterwards.
Alright.
There's still 2 of them in
fine.
first resources.
Okay.
What should I do with the team I pass
We're gonna
around
have strength
until they
box.
drop
for
all?
sure. What are these things?
Okay, blew it open just a bit, just to be annoying.
I do need torches though. Did you check them down?
I did.
Yeah, I see that. Yep.
I know you're starting diamond.
I'm gonna pass some stuff around to drop hole and I'll wall, okay? Just like you can't get touch.
Nice, good job.
I got 2. Okay, so we got 2 in first resources still.
Okay, do your
It's
best.
about to be nighttime. Minnie, set your bed if you want to move.
I have a bed. I'll press
Okay,
it.
I'm coming back up.
Coming back where?
I'm gonna drop back a bit. Because Doctor's not here anymore and all.
Okay, fine.
I think I just saw a name
Successful.
tag. Is
Trying to
that
help
you,
them.
Ben? Are you near our diamonds, Ben?
Yeah, I am. I'm right by
Are you
you.
near our diamonds?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay. Cool.
The diamonds are still all here.
Alright. Nice.
How many diamonds do they have?
I don't know. I can't check right now.
I can try have a look. Oh, you didn't get them.
I can check right
What?
now. Hold on.
Okay.
You got-
I got the front one, I know, but that's it.
Yeah, I don't think you got the other ones. Didn't look like it.
Ah, damn, okay. Oh well. Was trying to get the wooden button TNT thing down, but then I didn't realize that we had stone buttons, so.
Yeah, there's the back two still there.
Okay, he's out of first
Yeah.
versus.
Like,
Okay.
and all that stuff.
Go to first, I guess. Did you get anything?
Okay, for
Did you get the
split
iron?
PvP, boys.
No, I just shot with him.
Okay.
Okay, I've got a bed set below, so that's good. Nice lock.
No, they're just cannoned our
I'm
iron
an
blocks.
asshole.
They can what? Iron?
Our iron blocks.
Alright.
The 5s.
Mine's
all
mine's
iron blocks,
iron
yeah.
in first, okay? But you need to get set up there before they do. Because
Okay,
Krat's
they-
already
that's
set up.
really good
And
going over
Krat's are probably also running first.
Yeah, are they running first?
Doing an exploit.
They have started first. They have signs of starting it.
Any signs of finishing it?
Minnie, did you
No,
get
I'm
the
gonna
wolf?
try around this wall.
Oh,
I'm gonna go run it now.
I do have diamonds. Yeah, let me throw down the pick. No.
Okay. No, don't do it yet. I'll go.
Okay.
Oh, actually, I do need a pick then.
50 blocks in there.
Alright, I'll do
I
it.
don't. My golden pick's gone, so I do
There's
need
two at
one.
third.
I cannot hit these zombies. Okay, I need to run this. Did you check it down, Ben?
The world.
Down here?
You out of the world, Doc?
Yeah, I'm coming off. I'm down.
I'm not spawning in the world. I need somebody to. I need a, somebody say something to TP me in. TP me in. I'm gonna reconnect. Somebody say something in the chat.
Okay.
Mine-
Fix?
mine-
Did it fix?
okay.
Okay, I
Yeah.
don't know what's going on at all. Okay, I'm gonna
TP
try
me
to.
into the match.
We're good.
If it's in the.
Minnie, I'm right
don't
here.
think
Did you check down a diamond pick?
Were you in a bed?
No, I didn't.
I
sleep
came
in
down
bed at
right
all.
here.
Right,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna TP you
lagging
into your
right now.
spawn.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. There's
I
some
killed the
stuff
guy
there
right
from that
first.
chest back there as well. Oh,
First,
Ben, there's
good.
another chest there.
Alright.
It's got.
I'm just putting it back here so they can't get shit.
Yeah, but there's another chest here. It's got stuff in it too.
I'll try
can
to
you
get
look over
sleep a
here?
bit before I.
Sorry about that. I don't know what happened.
Okay. Here's diamond pick.
Can I get a diamond pick? Okay, cool.
I threw it behind you. Go watch Minnie. Make sure they're not doing shit. Go watch them.
Right. Oh god, they're here, they're here. Doctor's here.
Okay.
He's naked. Let me go kill him. Got him.
Just made full diamond.
Oh, they've got a water stream down. They've got two people here. I might need some help.
I'm
Oh,
right here.
Where?
Just hold him off for a split second, Minnie.
I'm lagging pretty hard. Holding him off's not gonna be easy. It's who else is on their team? Try up him. So it's, there was Doctor and either Try or up him. Oh, Doctor's here. He's trying to bum rush my bed.
I'm right here.
He's fisting me. He's got zombies.
Don't want to get knocked off here.
Don't get knocked off then. Can I run this then?
Yeah. You guys should maybe push for first. I don't know. I don't
To
know
run
the
first?
situation. I don't know.
Gonna
Make,
come
make
out.
a call.
Is
But
that something that we can get?
Minnie, let's
There's not
let's
enough
move the
people
bed
there that I think I
backwards.
can.
Damn, I'm fine.
Okay.
Thanks.
There's a witch here.
Okay. Yeah, I think we could run it if I just gotta get some wood or stuff for doors.
We're gonna have iron soon. Alright,
I
I
have-
stepped Minnie.
I'll have 2 iron blocks from first area.
Then.
The witch on this side.
Nice poison bin.
Okay, 27 seconds.
Thanks for shading a metric ton of zombies at me.
I'll have to make an iron bucket for the last part. With
They can't
blocks.
get spawn killed by this.
Let's retreat back here if you need.
Yeah, there's another guy dropping.
Yeah, it's Doctor. He's got no armor again. Don't know what
I
he's
don't
doing.
think he has anything. Period.
He's just delaying. Got a shot on him.
They do not seem to be getting diamonds up. I bet you they seem to
Minnie.
be getting them.
Why don't I give you
Don't do it if you don't have to, Ben. I'll try not to die.
Well,
I'm scared Doctor's gonna break the bed as we're down here, though. Can he break that bed?
no, he shouldn't be able to.
Okay. I just womboed him into a skeleton. There's a crap ton of mobs here, though.
Yeah,
Full. I'm gonna come to first. I'm not doing anything here.
I'm not doing anything here. Manny, if you can hold them off, I'm gonna go run a second, I think, or get progress at least. Cause
I think I can hold them off. I think Doctor's here to try to stop me before they do, like, possibly an exploit, if they do have one.
Just tell me what
They
goes
probably
on.
just want to do this. Hey, oh, I need food. Do you have food to bring? Or no?
No,
Alright,
I do not.
Might try to run this Ben,
Ate
to be
my last
honest.
piece right
You
there.
are gonna?
There
Okay.
are melons. I'm gonna get
Yeah.
those.
Oh, you know what? I do have some food. I
Do
was
it.
cooking the ones that
I'm
spawn.
out though.
Oh, bad idea, actually. Fuck that. I might wait till day,
Yeah.
so I can actually get in there easily. I might die here. God damn.
That'd be better.
That'd be bad.
You have your
Oh,
vet
God.
set, right?
Yeah.
Just stay back.
There's three of them
Like, Doctor's
on
not gonna
this,
do shit.
this area,
He's just
right
Have to
running
put
it out.
first.
above first.
Yeah, but I'm scared they're
Like,
gonna
all the
push
way
us
up.
with diamonds. It's the only problem I have.
Damn, what the hell happened here?
Oh, they can't shoot. There are melons. There are cakes here as well.
Okay, I'm just gonna stand here. And
Do you
watch.
think it'd be possible to... Oh, that's possible.
To what?
To run it right now?
I do if I got doors.
Get doors, boys.
Punch.
Ben, can you gonna run second?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Alright, if you die with that diamond, mate, matey potato.
It's fine.
Oh, you didn't pick up an axe, did you?
No, I did not. I don't think. No.
That's safe, I'm around in a minute.
Tell me if you need me to come back to you. I can do that in an instant.
I'm just sitting here watching. Nothing's going on, yeah. Did you grab the invis pot then?
Oh.
There's an invis pot here.
What?
I'll have to do the. I'll grab a TNT from the first part, and then I'll do the thing to blow up the mobs. Is there any chance you can?
That's almost day.
Don't worry, never mind.
Sunrise.
I slept down here.
Alright, I'm gonna sleep right above here. You slept in that bed,
Oh my god, why do I lag?
Shit, my bow is over here.
What armor is cyan? Armor? Iron?
The guy that killed me.
Come on.
Yeah,
The
he's
thing
in
about having a
chamber.
bed here is even if I die in third, it's ridiculously easy to run after one third.
Okay, I'm going down to the thing to blow up the water.
Oh my god, I'm an idiot.
They have a guy in first.
Oh,
He's right at the last part.
In the wall. Alright.
He's at like the second last part. Ladder up. I'll have him. I'll have him. Nope, I'll have him. Yep. So
That
they have a bed
makes
down
me
there.
feel
Oh
like
my
they have
God.
something
Alright.
on the first. Dude, if the whole crowd and it's just a fake mind game, I would be so fucking pissed.
If the whole crowd what?
I feel like it is.
He's not
though.
exploiting. He's not exploiting. Don't worry.
No, but he's.
He's going into the
very
water.
sure they won't do it.
Oh, does he have a bed near the end?
Near the end.
Alright, I'm in black.
Nice.
Okay,
you-
you're right, man, right.
Is the invisible just passing around the guy?
Ah, my brains.
Invis pot, he didn't get it. Classic Ben.
Wait, sorry, what was that?
Ben didn't get the freaking.
Invog's pot? Not yet.
Not that he would use it.
Yeah,
Hey,
exactly.
the guy
Classic
is
Ben.
in the wall right
When
now.
the like all the way in.
No, he's in like a... He's in like the back spot with the first mob spotters. Can you shoot?
Alright, I've got glass, I'm gonna TNT this thing. So I
Yeah,
won't
yeah.
do it in line, do it here.
Okay, I see him.
Doc just showed you.
Oh, I can't.
It's exactly like we practiced.
I'm doing it one back so it's not mine, just in case.
It can be a
Well,
lot
okay.
outside.
Yeah, I can do it all.
Come down.
Shoot him right now.
Yeah, that worked perfectly.
Got him.
They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels gone on both sides. Beautiful.
I could do it back to...
I can try one out.
Do you have arrows?
Yes. I have like 5 stacks.
Alright, do you have a way down that's like can you start somewhere?
I'm gonna die here.
I love it. Okay, yeah.
No, I'm good. Okay.
Be careful, man.
I'm low. I had a zombie as well, so I'm about to have the whole like
Thank you.
zombie armor
Block
get
up
on me.
and regen.
Yeah, I've blocked up. I'm scared of my own like this. I don't know if anyone's going to do it.
Nice. I can pin that here.
You do also have a diamond pick, so you might as well mine obsidian.
Yeah, he's going.
Okay.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Ran
Oh
straight.
fuck. Okay.
Okay, I'm doing the thing for the water.
I just hit TNT connect outside the lane. Outside the pyramid.
Was that you? Yeah, where?
No, I'm way too far away.
Okay, I just heard TNT and stuff.
Oh, that was me, but not
Okay, black balls and that pass around here.
Okay, nice.
Make sure they
except
can
last
get
part.
that too.
Except last part.
You got it.
I think he's got the bed in the middle.
Got it, okay.
They can't blow it up.
Oh my god.
I've played some Black Ball Eagle server up back then, so even if they try, they won't be able to like TNT it. They won't know. If you come collect that when you can, though.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. Did you? Yeah, you blocked
There's
it off
also
so
an
they can't do
invis
it. Okay.
Yeah.
Good, good, good.
Okay. Time to go. There's no way I'm getting strength pass, right?
That's okay.
Well, no,
Because this-
no, there's not.
Okay, I really need to place
Yeah,
this
get back in
water
there.
bucket.
Okay, getting rid of it. Alrighty. Oh, should I destroy the grid and bring it down? Yeah, let's do that. I feel like I heard some like outside the earlier last one. Gonna have a quick glance around.
Looks like he is, but it sounds like that.
Doesn't look like it.
At least.
Okay, I got the water in. Fuck, do you have food, by the way? I just have something.
I'm fine now. Okay.
Pretty soon they have a new like but can do like now. Pretty sure.
I got an extra pearl.
So, Ben, are you done the wall, or are you just
I'm at the last room.
on your way out? Go collect from this
Can you see up one?
He's shooting at me first, is that him?
Oh, really?
Right here.
Try
I docked entertain. Yeah, so the rough one's only guy we don't know where he is.
Probably running second, but we can't be sure.
Alright, I'm down here.
Okay, you're all good?
Signs with the
Hello. Oh my god. So,
Well, if I can get TNT, I can wreck their lava thing, because I didn't water it, Ben.
oh, okay. I have some.
I'm gonna go up and get some, wood pick. Actually, wait, do you have it? I'm gonna use that stone pick and get some iron.
Some iron ore?
Yeah.
I'll make you a pick. Okay,
Actually, use a stack of TNT and after that. Or it's not a chance I know of.
There,
Alright, I'm gonna be finishing this really soon.
there's still the iron block down there that I'm gonna grab.
Sweet. I may have cannon.
Alright, mining obsidian.
They made
I have the wool.
Nice, go
no,
for
we're
it,
fine.
man.
They're not yet. Nice.
Getting out my big chest. Actually, I'm very low on sword. That sucks.
That's not night
I
time.
think I hear them running in a second.
Okay, Ak, this bottom part's cleared out.
Good on.
Ak, are they in the wall? I don't see them.
They don't seem to be running it early.
Alright, I'm out.
Okay.
Or I'm
First.
safe at least. I'm gonna grab the flame bow, the TNT, invis, golden apple. I mean, gold block.
Yeah, can we seriously just end it? Have you set up the water
Fuck,
thing?
I just fell.
Either
I'm
of you?
retarded.
I have if I did it. If I
I'm
did
very
it right.
much retarded.
Okay, great. So can we just invis? Please.
Very likely we can.
Up on died, very good.
Witches.
Okay. I'm gonna come get the pass around for third, and I'm gonna come to you guys. Oh my god. Serious frames.
Okay, Ben, I'm gonna get wood for doors right now. Ak, you keep shooting, okay? Okay, Ben, you don't have extra wood for doors, do you?
I haven't, you know, I can for sure. I have a golden axe and everything.
There's only one here now, so
Okay, I'm gonna probably try and grab just a little bit of wood then and
I
make
don't
it
know if
more.
I'll be able to obsidian up the other pathway very well, but the one that I
I can
use,
give
I'll
you
be
a
able
full
to
set
do.
of. I have enough for a full set
Do you
of
have-
iron. I just need to smelt it.
Oh
Okay, I
fuck,
just need
oh fuck,
pants.
oh fuck.
Put it in the furnace on top,
Okay.
because I have iron rust.
I can say. I think.
Ben, when you get here, do the cannon if you can for their lava too, if I'm not in the wall.
I
Just let me
almost
run it.
died
I'm in
in
full
the
diamond.
wall area.
Are you ready?
No, I'm grabbing the stuff for third. If you give me 2 minutes, I'll be there.
So,
Okay.
are you gonna run it in full diamond or what? I'm confused.
Yeah, that's our best bet.
Alright.
The water's placed already. There's no reason way you should
Don't
die. I'll
forget
have
the
doors for
invis
you down.
block then.
Hey, Ben?
No.
No, he's not gonna invis.
I don't know, have you watched him play the Impact game? He gets knocked out of the wood by mobs like 20 times. Even in not in that place.
Oh shit, we have the second invis spot? Okay, really good.
Okay, Minnie, work on your comms.
Fuck you, Cole.
They're
They're
canning.
cannoning us. In the water wall.
Oh, there should be enough iron for you to make pants.
Where's the wool? Where is it, Ak? I mean, Minnie?
The wool?
Yeah.
It's in that chest.
What chest?
There's two chests there, Ben.
Yeah, I know.
Some's
Oh,
in
I
the
see it, I'm
chest.
sorry. I thought that was obsidian.
Sorry, Ak.
Better be.
So slow.
They have no one on the wall right now.
Yeah, sweet.
I have 32 levels. Damn.
Ak, is it smelting?
We should have had you get an obsidian. Whatever. But no.
Yeah, I'm just...
Alright, I have
things up.
like more than a stack of TNT.
Okay, Ben, I have a lot of wood for you.
Oh, okay. I don't need to mine any?
No.
Okay.
My sword's at 94 hits, so I'll use the stone one for now, actually.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm just being stupid.
Is there any evidence that they're trying to run it?
That they're trying to run right now. Wait.
No,
Running
run third.
Unless they snuck in right at the start in some miracle way before Doctor did those
But they're not
things,
trying to
then
run
no.
it, is
Yeah,
what you're
has the
saying.
glass been broken on their side?
Yeah, no way. Yeah, no
They're
way.
not trying to, no, they're not trying to run it, correct. Right now.
Correct.
Okay.
Did he move the furnace or? Just watered up fancy.
Alright, I'm down
I
here.
have 6 extra iron for you.
Fold.
Alright.
Where are you guys located?
Wait, did you?
The tunnel.
Oh, I see you, I see you.
Do you have TNT?
Yep.
Okay, give me TNT. Chest has doors.
I have tons of stuff. Wool.
So if
Did you
it's
safety
blo-
walls
blocks
other
breaking.
places?
I actually didn't safety block too much.
TNT.
I did just hear blocks
Ben,
breaking.
don't go towards the TNT. They got a guy in the wall. 2 guys in the wall.
Got one.
He's placing the doors the wrong way.
Oh, I have another stack.
I can reset.
Got him. Yeah, thanks, man. I need that other stack. I was like, what am I gonna do with this?
Okay, I need another... Okay, I'll just take that. Doors, torches, water bucket. I don't need a water bucket. Actually, yeah, I will.
I would take it.
I'll take it, yeah.
Remember, don't water the last water source where like the pass on goes. And you may want to bring a chest then. Up to you.
Did you water it? Or, sorry, did you cannon your stuff right now?
That's what I'm working on.
Sleep.
Wait, there's stuff or the lava? I'm gonna do the lava first.
I think I'm good. I'm not forgetting
There's 2
anything.
of them running in again.
Yeah, I'm getting them both.
Yeah.
Alright, so I think it's just try that's gonna kill me.
No, they got
Really-
one. They got one at spawn too.
Alright, I'm starting. Oh my god.
There's a guy going in full iron, I believe. No, it's not full iron, it's just kidding.
Alright, no one's shooting at me.
Passwords, to be honest. Just adding more now.
Got their lava. He's fucked. Yeah, they're fucked right now.
Very good. Fucking A guys. They're not shooting at me at all. He's in lava. Yeah, you got him. They are shooting at me a little bit. Oh my god.
Hawk, do an arrow count.
35 on
There's some a little bit more in that chest.
this.
And then I have a little bit more on me too. Just make sure you don't walk out the world from.
Sure, yeah. I need some potato. I'm gonna cook these.
can you guys just shoot try? It's not a big deal, but...
Shooting him. Hawk, it's up top. It's yours.
What?
Oh, no, Doctor's shooting me from, the beginning of the wall.
Okay, I'm coming down in a second here.
Shooting
I don't
him.
have any blocks.
Fine, reset my hunger now.
Come on.
Doctor's
I'm going
down
to...
temporarily.
I'm gonna drop down there and shoot him.
Oh wait, why would you drop down? I'll try Delta the
Cover, please.
Okay.
Cover.
Oh, try it one time.
Can't sleep because I'm monster.
I don't have a roof. Oh my god. Okay, I'm fine. That was retarded.
How are you guys going? Out of interest? Where are you at?
Yeah, I'm just about at the wall.
Nice though. You've picked up my pass round there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Holy shit, I played so bad. Alright, I'm just gonna read
I
down
can't
here.
wait to see that.
Ben, we haven't won the game yet. Please stop acting cocky. Thank you. We're gonna fucking lose now. I can tell. probably got all 3 walls
I just be
already.
on one shot.
I thought you watered the thing.
I did water the thing.
Shit.
Oh, should I do an arrow run? No, I'll wait. Do you have enough to get through till Ben's die?
Yeah, probably. Other sec.
Alright, I have it.
Whoop.
Ben, are you gonna do the pass round?
Shot on the guy in the wall.
Yeah, I will.
There's a guy in the wall.
Shoot cannon there on the area above first and get them like to cobble.
It's the pass run we did in a rush game.
Okay, then Akka could get it.
Alright,
Or I could get it.
I just need him shot.
Actually, I think it's watered. Yeah, we did it wrong. Or we did something, fucked it up. I need to come out slightly. I'm gonna do it from above.
Fairness pass round, shouldn't it?
Do it upwards or what?
I'm gonna do it, yeah, above. Oh my god, they're shooting me a hell of a lot.
Yeah. They have their spawn set, so I can about that.
Just do your best. Someone shooting me from above.
Yeah, I don't know what to do about that guy. Ben, so where is the best place for pass round? I'll make a furnace.
I'm gonna have to do it above, because you watered it below. It's obsidian now. Lava.
Sorry, water walled. So where
Shoot them.
above?
Just shoot them, please. Let me get to the pass round spot. It's gonna be above, like close to.
Close to where I did the water thing?
Yeah, it's gonna be close to there. Not exactly.
Further towards spawn.
Can I actually do a pass round here? I think I can. Yeah. It's gonna be exactly where the water goes.
Okay. Oh, shoot, you got me right now. Did you place it in the furnace yet?
Where's the furnace?
Sorry, didn't place one yet.
It's there. It's in a chest.
Oh god.
I'm getting shot too much.
Album's just pinging me a lot.
I do see where you are though, Ben. Ben, would it be possible for you to shoot too?
I'm trying. Okay, hit on Doctor.
I can shoot again now.
Shoot try, I'll shoot Doctor.
Okay, let's try above.
Yeah, tries above.
Oh, they're running the wall.
Oh shit, yeah, they're in it good. Got
Nice.
him. Okay, I'm really
You're
low, so I'm
cannoning.
shooting.
Oh,
Yeah.
4 of them there.
Okay.
Damn, are literally all 4 of them there.
I think so.
Amazing.
Come on. I think I watered it.
I just killed
just
this
got
guy. Cannon. Aw, damn it. You don't let. I could help.
Okay, most of my stuff went into the void. I should get this pass on
I'm
though.
gonna just try to come out, I think.
No,
I
I
have
got
a
The pass
bullshit.
round's watered.
I could just keep pain looping because my bed's right there.
Hearted.
I can try to get it in armor. If you want to shoot full, I can try to go for it.
I told you I don't have
Probably
a
place it
above.
above, actually.
Okay, I have a.
Just keep shooting. Don't worry. I just gotta figure where it is.
Okay, they died in first. They're very close.
Ben, I'm right here.
I placed it. Oh, move. Placed.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god. That's great. Get it.
Got it.
Nice, so...
The other wall is there, and the double chest. I'm gonna stay in here for a while.
Bye. Yeah, do you have
Down.
a bone arrow in there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have the power
Alright.
3.
I have the other two will here.
Okay, I'm coming out with the first
you
wall.
can-
I'll do
you
a
can
run
run.
around. Just give me blocks if you have any.
That's just
I
filling
have
up.
none. Oh, actually, I do have some.
Okay, I'm out. Walking beside you.
Right here. Be fast.
I played so.
There's some possibility they have an exploit for third.
That was possibly the trashiest game of my life.
Oh well, we'll never let you live it down.
Like, I'm gonna upload this, and you'll just see my TNT run is just like makes you want to kill yourself.
Fan, you call
There's one
that
at spawn
there is
with iron armor.
conflict there.
Yep.
Victory Monument lockdown.
Krat's running it.
I'm just gonna do it really safe.
Okay,
Right.
Got him.
They're in the right order, right? Like
That
third
was
tree
hurt.
is.
he's getting locked down by Ven, the game that he was like talking about how he was gonna trash talk you the whole game.
Front full.
I'm doing it slow.
I just
Okay.
heard creepers exploding.
Sorry.
What's third? Third
Oh,
wall's black.
Yeah,
He's
up
gone.
on third.
Yeah, he's dead.
It's black
now.
and then brown is on the back, and then green is at the front. Front towards spawn.
Getting wrecked by silverfish at the moment.
Just leave Krat. He can't do shit. Nah, no shit.
Gotta get this kill.
Okay, I'm gonna purposely die and then go from spawn.
Alright.
Breaking bed.
Why?
I'll kill me.
Nice.
I'll kill me.
I'm bad. I'm just boosting my accuracy. Hopefully.
Okay, whatever.
Oh, those
I'm not gonna
mind
stop
games though.
complaining.
Those mind games. My. Hiding my
I didn't think he was
Pide hour.
gonna exploit it. Go full go.
Oh my god.
I'm fold.
Fuck.
Oh, they're cannoning one of them. They're planning to. I have no arrows to do anything about it, but... Gotta go fast, dude.
Fuck, I placed it and didn't hit it.
Idiot.
And then I get
They're
killed.
about to TNT one of them.
The first one?
The very closest one.
Fuck, then I'm fucked.
Oh, is that the one you haven't placed, or?
Yep.
Alright, got it. I'm gonna come do a supply run and get myself some arrows.
Oh my god. Shift.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get arrows quickly. Make sure they can't run this. Because I don't have any yet.
Shit, they're about to do it. Go. Mine it. Quick.
I got
Pick
it.
it up. Go. Back. There's a path up. Just come up and place.
No. They're cannoning right now.
Just place it.
I'm waiting after me. See, let's just keep
Go. Now. Place. Go.
Do you have
Forward.
a pathway?
Yes. You gotta be ready.
I'm going.
Go.
I'm trying to
Go.
until the
Place against it. Just go. Place. You can place it.
I'm the mole.
God.
Worst game of my actual life.
I'm
I made
before I
it-
jump
It's so
across.
bad.
I made a yellow dick that says buggy 6 balls on it. I resorted to like turning lights on and off at one point.